Brainy Storm presents Virat Kohli famous and motivational quotes to inspire and guide you in life. Self-belief and hard work will always earn you success. I like to be myself, and I don't pretend. For instance, I don't dress up for occasions, I am what I am. Whatever you want to do it with full passion and work really hard towards it. Don't look anywhere else. There will be a few distractions, but if you can be true to yourself, you'll be successful for sure. No cricket team in the world depends on one or two players. The team always plays to win. The bat is not a toy, it's a weapon. It gives me everything in life, which helps me to do everything on the field. I love playing under pressure. In fact, if there's no pressure, then I am not in the perfect zone. I do believe in God. But you won't find me visiting temples every now and then. I believe in self-realization. Peace of mind matters a lot to me. What's the point in doing something just for the sake of it? I'd rather do something I like doing as long as I'm being true to myself. The people you choose to have around you make all the difference. My family and close friends keep me grounded. You have to have a mind of your own and a strong head on your shoulders. Cricket is the most important thing to me, so the rest of it pales in comparison. Probably because I'm from a middle-class family, I have that nature in me that I don't get too excited about big things. Pretension is a poor joke that you play on yourself. Snap out of it. Recognize your strengths, work on your weaknesses. The real achievement is liking what you see in the mirror every morning. Whatever I am, it's natural. I don't have to pretend to be aggressive, don't have to show the opposition that I am on the field. Being aggressive comes naturally to me, helps me perform. My priority is cricket. Everything that I get apart from it is a result of the effort on the field. Everything else follows. I am pretty aware of my priorities, and I don't really focus on things that are not as important to me as cricket. Becoming an inspiration for kids is great. I want to inspire them to do whatever they want to. I'm not someone who sits at home and doesn't like to go out, doesn't like to watch movies. I like to live my life. I want to be relaxed in my personal life. I really do not like to be hassled. If you liked this video, then please like, share and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.